Welcome back to another unboxing video. We've got a special one today. What I have here in my hands is a package from Richard Smalls. That's right, Lil Dick himself sent this to me from his workshop in Antarctica. Took about 3 years to get here via seal mail, but I just know it's going to be worth the wait. I'm so excited to open this up. So without any further ado, let's get to unboxing. Now, before I open this up, I just want to point out a couple of details about this box. This box is made from 100% recycled, used toilet paper, premium 2-ply. It feels amazing, it looks amazing. I almost don't even want to open it up, but unfortunately, that is how boxes work. We will have to cut it open to get inside. And here we go. So right off the bat, we've got these beautiful Lux stickers. Who doesn't love stickers? There's just no end to what you can do with these. I mean, you can put them on your headboard, you could put them on your water bottle, you could put them on your humidifier, but this is what we really came here for. This is a channel ode, or chode for short. And this thing just feels amazing. It's so short and thick, and you open it up and it's nutty, and it just gets nuttier and nuttier the more you play with it. Let's do a little sound test. Really unique sound, kind of quiet, but that's a Lil Dick knife right there. It's just an amazing thing, and I know what you're wondering, and the answer is yes. I absolutely think that this is worth the $600 asking price for a couple of reasons. Number one, high quality materials throughout. We got the R2D2 steel blade, we got the 69-420 aluminum handles, titanium bearings, bushings, washers, and dryers all in unit. This thing just feels like a tank. And number two, you know that Lil Dick doesn't just make this stuff by himself, but he doesn't even use his hands, because after that tragic penguin accident that left him without any arms, he's had to repurpose all of the machines in his workshop to be used with his feet. And it's just the level of detail when you look at this knife all the way through, especially when he had to chisel all of these lines on the blade with his toes. You know, he just really went through this whole design with a fine tooth, what's the word? Anyway, number three, this thing is an amazing flipper. This does any trick you tell it to do. Chaplains, fans, rollover, play dead, you name it. And not only that, but it's also a really good EDC knife. I mean, this thing is so practical. There's so many things you can do with it. You can open boxes. So that's it for my review. Head over to my Instagram. I'm going to be selling this bad boy for $750, or I'd be willing to trade it for a burnt weenie. Until next time, peace.